How to fix Form 8962 on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is find your 1095A form. You can download it from healthcare.gov or your state's marketplace website. Your insurance provider may have mailed it to you. Now, to enter your 1095A in TurboTax, you want to open TurboTax, then click on Federal Taxes. Now click on Deductions and Credits. Scroll down to Medical and click Start next to Affordable Care Act. Now enter the 1095A details exactly as shown on your form. Then TurboTax will generate Form 8962 automatically. If you have already filed your taxes and IRS requested Form 8962, then you must amend your return. Some common errors are entering incorrect Form 1095A info. If that is the case, you want to double check your marketplace account for correct 1095A. Even a small error can cause IRS issues. If you have forgotten to enter Form 1095A, you want to go back to Deductions and Credits and enter the form manually. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.